to log into AllTrails account. So first of all, launch AllTrails app. Once you come to the app's interface, you can tap on any of these options in order to log in. You can use Google, Facebook, or simply log in using your email address. So I'm going to tap on Continue with email. Now simply enter your email address of your account. Then tap on Continue. Now simply enter the password of your account. Now, in case if you have forgotten your password, you can tap on this option of Forgot Password in order to recover your AllTrails account. After this, simply tap on Continue. And with that, you will be able to log in to your AllTrails account. And that's all for today's video. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.